Resco is a 100% portable device that has an internal battery and does not connect to the Hatch Sleep app. It's great for travel, home, and anytime you're on the go. One side of Resco is a speaker, and the other side is a control panel. To turn on Resco, press and hold the center button until you hear your sleep sound begin. Resco will always start at 50% volume so rest isn't disrupted. To cycle through the 10 sounds that come on Resco, press the center button until you find the perfect sound. To turn the volume up and down, press the plus or minus button on either side of the center power button. To turn off your Resco, press and hold the center button and you'll hear the sleep sound fade out. The next time you turn on your Resco, the last played sound will begin at 50% volume. Now you know how to control your Resco. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team. We're here to help.